Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good tacos. First, focus on fresh, high-quality ingredients. They are the foundation of any great taco. Next, decide on your protein. Whether it's perfectly seasoned ground beef, tender grilled chicken, or flavorful plant-based options, the protein is key. Finally, don't forget to properly warm your tortillas. This makes them pliable and enhances their texture, preventing them from breaking when you fill them. Let's dive into the key ingredients. Start with your choice of tortillas. Corn offers an authentic taste, while flour provides a softer bite. Ensure your protein is well seasoned with a robust blend of spices like chili powder, cumin, and a touch of oregano for depth. Don't forget the fresh elements. Diced white onions, chopped cilantro, and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice are essential for brightness and crunch. Now, let's talk cooking techniques. If you're using ground meat, brown it thoroughly until no pink remains, then drain any excess fat to keep your tacos from being greasy. For chicken or fish, grill or pan-sear it until it's perfectly cooked and has a nice, slightly charred exterior. Remember to warm your tortillas in a dry pan for about 15 to 20 seconds per side, making them soft and ready to hold your delicious fillings. Finally, the fun part, assembly and toppings. Start by layering your cooked protein into the warm tortilla. Then, pile on your favorite fresh vegetables like shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and a sprinkle of cottage cheese. Don't forget a dollop of sour cream or a drizzle of your favorite hot sauce to complete the experience. For those looking to simplify their meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade tacos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.